Extreme Boats is a family-owned and operated business here in Whakatane. We produce award-winning aluminium trailer boats. The company was started about 25 years ago by Glenn and Di Shaw and their two boys on the family farm. Today the company employs around 100 staff. We produce about 250 boats per year, and we've established a dealer network throughout New Zealand, Australia, into the United States, Europe and also New Caledonia. So the boats are going all around the world these days. We've got about 20 different models in the range, from 5 metres right through to 9 metres. And we've also established another company called Legacy Marine, which has been established for larger commercial jobs, and we've released a range of luxury motor yachts which range from 30 feet right up to just over 70 feet in length. We carry out all aspects of the job on site, from the design work through to the cutting, folding of the material, the fabrication, welding of the boats, right through to the painting, the fit out, upholstery, and then off to the dealer network they go. We pride ourselves heavily on producing a high quality product, a product that you can rely on, and we love what we do. We just love building boats. Before the TECMEN equipment here at Extreme Boats, we were using a range of various respirators, filtered respirators, some various air-fed helmets. Our staff here at Extreme Boats, we value very highly. They mean a lot to us and they put a lot into their day. So yeah, we want them to be healthy, we want them to be happy, and we want them to be comfortable. Also, happy staff are going to stay around for longer. It does take a long time to get staff trained up. They've got a pretty special skill set, a lot of them, so we want to hang on to them. Yeah, we're one big family. We looked into various powered respirated units, and the TECMEN one for us ticks a lot of the boxes. They are compliant, they're light in weight, it's a quality product, and it has become the powered respirated unit choice here at Extreme Boats. It's good for the guys. They're doing a mixture between grinding and welding. They can be, grinding away one moment, drop the visor down and then be straight into welding. So yeah, it's working really well. The guys are super happy that are wearing them. Super good over the summer months when things get a bit hotter. They're also priced well as well. Yeah, we'd recommend the TECMEN respirator unit to other engineers. Our staff are happy and comfortable in them. They're enjoying breathing clean air, and they're certainly proving to be a good, reliable unit. Yeah, it's been really good.